I will just skip to part 2, which is capture and analyze local ICMP data in Wireshark. So once you already install the Wireshark software, so you have to open the Wireshark here. So I'll open here. So first of all, this is the interface. So in my machine, there's so many network adapter in my machine. So basically, we will focus on one network adapter only, which is the Ethernet adapter. So in my machine, the Ethernet adapter is Ethernet 2 adapter. So I'll just click on that. So because for today's demonstration, so we will focus on ICMP packet. So if you do not focus on certain packet or certain protocol that you want to capture, so basically it will capture all activities on the adapter itself. So now let me see where is the information on the adapter. So you need to type ipconfig all here, ipconfig all, and I will go to Ethernet adapter 2. Right, so this is all of the information of the Ethernet adapter 2. So currently I am in CCNA lab. So this is the network for CCNA lab, right? So a little bit of a review of some of the information on the adapter. So this is the IPv4 address, and then this is the subnet mask, and also this is the default gateway IP address. So basically it actually mimics the topology here. So we have the default gateway IP address and also your machine IP address. All right, so what I'm going to do is I will copy this information onto a new file. All right, so it's easier for me to refer the information in the future. Okay, so the next thing that I will do is I will start capturing the information. Okay, I will start capturing the packet because in here it already says that what we want to concentrate on is we would like to see the PDU packet. Okay, the PDU information. Okay, so we will analyze local ICMP data. So to do that, if we want to only display ICMP PDUs, so on the filtering here, so you can type ICMP, press enter. Okay, so because we do not actually issue any ping command, hence the reason why the screen here or the dashboard here is empty. So what you can do is you need to first issue the ping command. So in here, my machine IP address is 10.73.24.141. I will start pinging the default gateway, which is the router's interface. So the IP address is ping 10. So I'll just put it side by side. 10.73.31.254. If you are at home, so make sure you ping your default gateway, not my default gateway. But if you are in the CCNA lab, so basically we will have the same default gateway for all machine in the lab. Okay, so press enter. So once you press enter, you will see that in the dashboard of Wireshark, so they start capturing the ICMP packet. So if you notice here, the number of captures depends on the number of replies. Okay, so now let us examine here. Okay, let us examine. This is the example given by the lab sheet. So let us examine the captured data. So you can stop capturing data by clicking on the stop capture. But if you plan to issue the ping command again, so you do not have to click on the stop capture, but here I will just stop the capturing process. So once we have stopped the capturing process, let me maximize this. So we can start examine the captured data. So in step 3, Wireshark data, it says that Wireshark data is displayed in 3 sections. So the top section displays a list of PDU frame captured with a summary of the IP packet information listed. So which one is the top section? So go to here. So this is the top section. Okay, this is the top section. All right, and then you will have next the middle section lists PDU information for the frame selected in the top part of the screen and separate a capture PDU frame by its protocol layer. Because we are using the internet protocol. So basically this is where information is. Okay, and finally it will focus on the raw data of each layer. So the raw data is displayed in both hexadecimal and also the decimal form. Okay, so now in the first question, click the first ICMP request PDU frame on the top section of Wireshark. Notice that the source column has your PC IP address. So where is your PC IP address? Because you see now the information here, is all in hexadecimal, isn't it? Okay, the information here is all in hexadecimal. So maybe it's pretty hard for you to actually understand it. Okay, but regardless, here, if you look here, okay, let me close it. Okay, so the source here, and we have the source and destination. So the source is your machine. So this is the highlighted, the highlighted. So I click again, the highlighted, because once I move, the highlighted part is already a change as well. But I hope that you can see on the right panel here, because we have the left panel and also the right panel. So basically the source address, okay, right click, I copy value. So this will be your machine MAC address. So if we were to compare our source MAC address, so if we were to compare here, you can see that the source MAC address is the same MAC address with your physical address, because the ping packet is coming from your machine. So basically you have it just verified that this is your source MAC address. Okay, and then we have the destination MAC address here. So you just right click, copy value. So I'll just copy it to note it down. So this is because our destination is the default gateway. So this will be the default gateway MAC address. Okay. So this is the MAC address for 10.73.31.254. Okay. And if you were to go to the internet protocol version part and you just click on the source address there, and then this is the destination address. So basically, if this is the value of, for example, this is the value of 10.73.31.254. So you can see here, this is the value of 10.73.31.254. If I were to actually convert the hexadecimal numbers 0A, 49, 1F, FE, so I try to convert here. So 0A49151FFE. Okay, so you will get and convert to binary. So if I reconvert it, so I will get 10.73.31.254. So this is 254. This is 31. This is 73. And this is 10. Okay, so we will get back the destination address. So basically, even though all of the information in the packet is in hexadecimal format, but there is always a way for you to actually understand the data itself. Okay, provided that you know how to convert and everything. So what if anybody capture packet, that's why anybody sniff or capture the packet from your machine to another machine, so basically they will know what are the information that you want to send to your friend or to other machine in the network. So it is very dangerous. This is very dangerous if you reveal the IP address, the source address. Hence the reason why this video, I run this video in CCNA lab, not in my lecturer's room. Okay, because if I were to do it in a lecturer's room, so basically I will reveal the information of the VLAN or the LAN of the lecturer's office. All right. So what I want you to do is I want you to answer the question. Okay, here. And then you need to return back or submit the answers. Okay. And after this, I will show about part 3.